Hi, welcome back everyone. Today we are diving into the CS50 project for network and exploring some exciting features. Specifically, we are looking at the functionality of creating new posts, viewing all posts, managing user profiles, following other users, implementing pagination, editing posts, and liking the post. Let's get started. Our first features allow sign-in user to create new text-based post. They simply fill in the text area and hit the submit button. As you can see, user can type their post content into the text area and then submit it with a click of a submit button. Next step, we have all the posts where user can view all posts from all users with the most recent post displayed first. Here each post includes the username of poster, the post content itself, the date and the time of posting, and the number of likes the post has. Clicking on the username takes you to the user profile page. On the profile page, you will find the number of followers and the following users, along with the list of posts in reverse chronological order. For any other user, you can follow or unfollow them with a click of a button. The following link in the navigation bar takes you to the page where you can see posts from users you follow. This page behaves similarly to the all posts page, but only shows posts from the users you follow. Now let's talk about the pagination. We have pagination set up so that posts are displayed 10 per pages. Here, if there are more posts, you can navigate through them with these buttons. Now let's talk about editing the post. User can edit their own post. Clicking edit button allows user to modify the content of their post, and with JavaScript, changes are saved post. Last but not least, the like and the unlike feature. User can toggle whether they like a post, unlike the post, and like count update dynamically without a full page reload. And that's right. The CS50 Web Project 4 network offers a range of features for a user to interact with post, profile, and each other. Stay tuned for more tutorials and updates. Thank you for watching.